Good morning. So this is going to be on a makeup video tutorial. I don't know. Ladies, I want to know if you go to the store and buy extra makeup when you already have it, and then you forget about it or something, and then you find it and you're like, oh my gosh, I do that. I'll show you. See, this is my makeup that I use, and this is extra that I didn't know I had. And there's probably more makeup in my dresser because that's where I put it, or I put it in the bathroom drawer, like always down below in the bottom drawer. So if you guys have extra makeup, ladies, let me know, and please like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm obsessed with makeup. Almost every time I go to the store, I buy makeup because I think I'm running out. So, and technically I'm not, I just need to have extra. So I don't know if you ladies do that, but if you do, comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching.